Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this fabric that I got from Stylish Fabric. And oh my god, how trendy is this? Like, I've been having serious FOMO of seeing everyone's tie-dye outfits from their like work from home outfits, and it's super trendy right now. And now, thanks to Stylish Fabric, I can make my own. I'm so excited to try this out. It has four-way stretch. It stretches this way and this way. And with four-way stretch, that means that it's like has endless possibilities of what you can make with it. The texture is super soft, super comfy. And this company mentions that the fabric dries fast and that it's super absorbent. So I can't wait to try that out and like put it to the test. But so far, this has 5 stars from me. The name of this fabric is Denim Blush Tie-Dye Print on double-sided brush DTY stretch fabric. Love it. I can't wait to see what I make with it. I'm thinking about maybe doing leggings or maybe like an all-in-one bodysuit. Who knows? But definitely subscribe to see what I choose to make with this fabric. But oh my god, look at this. So come back soon and we'll see what I actually make out of this fabric. All right, bye.